The QROC project, which is an initiative of the core group of the European Network of Law Enforcement Technology Services, also known as ENLETS, shares needs and best practices and increases the foresight regarding the uptake of new innovative technologies for operational centers to improve the public protection. The QROC project builds forth on a communication capability between law enforcement national operational centers in Europe to quickly and in a secure manner share operational data across borders regarding terrorist threats to protect the public. One of the goals of the QROC project is to provide tangible results based on the continuous testing of a new capability package, a self-assessment tool for national operational centers, demonstrations of innovative technologies, and finally, education and practical training through a series of tabletop exercises. All these activities together are aimed at increasing the efficiency and the capacity of these national operational centers. In the Netherlands, the final QROC event was hosted and organized by the National Police of the Netherlands and the Dutch Institute of Technology, Safety and Security. It was an event for law enforcement agencies only. Again, the main goal of the QROC project is to showcase the added value of a communication capability for LIAs to exchange operational data cross borders, such as pictures and video footage. Especially in times of terrorist threats and other major incidents, and to do this in a quick and safe way. Different interesting presentations were given on the first day to demonstrate the possibilities in data exchange for operational centers. For instance, the National Police of the Netherlands explained the importance of the development of the 5G network. Encyclomedia pointed out how geographical analysis and detailed mapping can assist in creating a common operational picture. TNO then built forth on that importance of geographical analysis by presenting Gale, an escape route predictive tool. The National Police of the Netherlands then again built forth on other important ways of collecting and filtering the tsunami of data that comes in during the golden hour, by presenting tools that are used or are interesting for operational centers. During this final QROC event, the third and last tabletop exercise was also conducted. In this realistic scenario-based exercise, different technologies were used to promote cross-border data exchange during the golden hour. To provide a realistic setting, the National Police of the Netherlands provided 2 mobile OCs in which the LIAs could conduct the final of 3 tabletop exercises within the QROC project.